ETH USDT Overview. Trading Style: Spot. Timeframe: Mid-term. Margin Mode: Isolated. Signal Type: Swing Trade. Target Timeframe: about a month between take profits. Entry Levels: 3,188.20 to 3,548.54. Take Profit Targets: Target 1, 4,739.51. Target 2, 5,308.58. Target 3, 5,924.43. Target 4, 6,555.87. Target 5, 7,210.69. Stop Loss Level: 1905.72. The secret to success in trading financial markets: look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation: after reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.